Every student has lived this moment. End of the month, no money in your account. You want a coffee or to go out with friends, but your balance says zero. Now imagine this. What if, 6 months from today, your phone buzzes with payments worth $200 while you're still in college? Sounds fake. Well, I'm about to show you real student stories of how they made $10,000 and how you can too. No rich parents, no luck, just smart, simple strategies. Let's break this down. $10,000 sounds huge, but if you divide it across 12 months, that's about $833 a month, or just $28 a day. That's less than what many students spend on snacks. The key? Stop trading your time for low pay. Start trading your skills, ideas, and effort, and you'll unlock serious student income. Raya was 20, no fancy degree, just YouTube tutorials and Canva. She started designing Instagram posts for small businesses, charging just $10 per design. She got her first client through an Instagram DM, then another, and another. 3 months in, Ria was making $500 a month, all while attending college. Here's what you can do. Learn basic design, writing, video editing. Offer services on Fiverr, Upwork, or locally. Don't wait to be an expert. Start now, build later. Pro tip: make 3 fake samples. Create a free portfolio on Notion or Google Drive. That's enough to get your first client. Josh, 19, from the USA. He hated speaking on camera, but he loved studying. So he recorded his study sessions and uploaded time-lapses to YouTube with lo-fi music. His channel slowly grew. 3 months in, 10K views. 6 months, 10K subscribers. Then AdSense kicked in. Then a sponsor. Within a year, he made over $3,000 from doing what he was already doing. What you can do: start a YouTube channel focusing on study tips, lifestyle, or skills. Post reels or shorts to grow faster. Use free editing apps like CapCut. Pro tip: don't chase viral. Chase value. People want real, not perfect. Ayan, 21, from Pakistan, had zero inventory, but he loved aesthetic notebooks. He created a Shopify store using a free trial, imported products through Oberlo, and made short TikToks showing off the designs. One video got 50,000 views. Orders started flowing in. Within 4 months, he made $4,000 profit. What you can do: use Shopify free trial. Choose lightweight, visual products like stickers and planners. Promote using Instagram Reels or TikTok. Warning: start small. Test products before scaling. Don't borrow money to run ads. Emily, 22, from the UK. Brilliant in math. She signed up on Wisent and SuperProf, charged $20 an hour for online tutoring. During exam months, she made over $2,000 helping students pass, all from her bedroom with just a webcam and whiteboard. What you can do: offer tutoring via Zoom. Sell notes or guides on StudyPool or Nexus Notes. Teach even basic things. Not everyone is at your level. Pro tip: start for free with 2 to 3 students. Get testimonials. Then raise your rate. Tanvi, 23, found a job while scrolling LinkedIn. A US-based startup needed a virtual assistant. Tasks: reply to emails, schedule meetings, post on social media. She worked 10 hours a week and made $600 a month, all remotely during college. Websites to use: Remote OK, We Work Remotely. LinkedIn Jobs, filter remote plus part-time. Pro tip: apply to 10 jobs a day for a week. Use a strong resume. 1 yes can change your year. Imagine this: you sleep, you wake up, you've earned money. That's passive income, and yes, even students can earn it. Harsh, 20, from India, sold a Notion planner template and made $200 in 2 months. Student passive income ideas: sell Notion templates like productivity and study planners. Upload designs to Redbubble or Teespring. Write a short ebook and publish it. Sell your own study notes. Pro tip: build once, promote often, and it keeps paying you. Here's the real game. Combine 2 to 3 of these. Don't rely on just one. Example strategy: freelancing, $500 per month. YouTube, $300 per month. Tutoring, $400 per month. That adds up to $1,200 per month or $14,400 per year. That's more than your $10,000 goal. And all from your laptop. I know you're busy. I know it's hard. But if you just start, 1 hour a day. That's all it takes to change your story. Here's a checklist for students. Pick your 2 income paths. Learn basic skills using free YouTube or Google tutorials. Create simple profiles and start small. Stay consistent for 3 to 6 months. Closing line, soft and cinematic. I was once broke. Today I've made over $10,000. Not because I'm special, just because I started. So I ask you, will you start today?